Hey there, Aquarius. Welcome to my channel Dream Tarot, and this is the reading for your love life, particularly for the month of October. And I have already shuffled card and pull out card for you because I have done reading before in another language. Now I will tell you what card come up for you. Um, so you are having Ace of Pentacle, King of Swords, the Sun, and the Hermit. And underneath the deck, you are having the Fool, Ten of Swords, High Priestess, Five of Pentacle, and Two of Swords. So you are having indecisive about something because you are in a separation, you are in a detached from your partner, you are left out in a cold without your partner, you are very much indecisive. Maybe this is decision, you have to make a decision about this painful situation you are having. You are intuitively it connect to your person, or you are praying to end this situation in your love life, end this painful situation, and you want to take a risk in your life right now. You want to start something new with your person whom you like, or you have to make a decision in month of October, or you will take a decision. Maybe this is the person for whom you are taking a decision. Maybe it's a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see what other cards are saying regarding your love life. You are having Ace of Pentacle. You are having some offer on your plate already, but you have decided something for your happiness, and this is a voice decision regarding your love life. You are taking some kind of decision after some kind of meditation, after having some aloof time. You are trusting your gut instinct, and you are making a wise decision regarding your love life, you because you are going to take a risk uh, in somewhere. So you want to, maybe this is the offer already you are having on your plate, or you want to offer some kind of stability to the person you you want, or you want some stable relationship. You are taking the action for your happiness. You are choosing your happiness, not a forced relationship you are in, or you want to come out from this painful situation which is giving you some kind of anxiety also. So you are coming out from this you want to come out from this painful situation. Two cards clarified for the King of Swords. So it's a decision maker person. It can be you, or it can be your person. So you made a decision to end this anxiety kind of situation, to end this relationship, this anxiety. So and you decided to end this anxiety kind of situation which you are having because of some kind of toxic relationship maybe, or you choose your happiness in month of October. So you made a wise decision to have your happiness and end this worried kind of situation, and what you want stability. You want to offer us stability, stable relationship, the person you want. So some outcome came out for you here. You are very much you want to end this regretting cycle. You were regretting that why you did not made this decision before for your stability. So now you are ending this Five of Cups situation, this disappointment situation. Now you are choosing your king, your person who is fire sign. You are choosing your happiness here, and you are having some new passion, passion igniting in your love life. The you are now you are making a decision to be with a person whom you like, and you choose your happiness in month of October. or maybe you will take a decision to choose your happiness or be with the person whom you love. So Aquarius, that was your reason for the month of October, regarding your love life. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.